Hello, today I would like to show you this quite interesting vintage flashlight from Philips. It is quite interesting model because of the battery that is using. Many years ago it was very popular. Nowadays I didn't see any flashlight using that type of form factor. It might look obsolete, but it does looks pretty nice, and it also got very important advantage that you can use, for example, for all sort of emergency preparedness scenario, and that's because it got exposed all electrical wiring. That's making it extremely easy to find any problems and rectify. If you've got light like this and you've got a problem with switch, you can't do much about it in the field. With this light you've got a 100% chance of rectifying any problems. Let's start from the visual inspection. We've got a regular bulb, which I love. I love that yellowish look of that light. As you can see, we've got a very nice light. Body is made out of metal. We've got that metal hook that can be used for clipping into other things or maybe even thread with your belt. And we've got our switch. Very simple, on, off. And I'm going to show you in a second what we've got inside, because you've got only this. You've got the model number for the battery, 4.5 volt, 3R12. This is the model number. If you open that battery, you are going to find a 3R12 batteries, and sometimes those batteries are being used in vintage equipment, and you can remove them. You can remove from the packaging free those cells. Here is the electrical wiring. This is something that I told you that is extremely important for any emergency situation. So you've got one pole from the battery, it go via that metal thing, you go down, it's making contact, you go up, it's disconnecting, it go here it's got from the center tip into the other pole of the battery. As you can see, there is nothing that can go wrong with this unit. If you've got problem with the switch, it's just a matter of bending one of those. If the bulb does not have a contact, it's just a matter of bending one of those tabs. And that's all. Extremely simple. So in any case of emergency, you can count on that light. This is how easily you can replace the bulb. I told you a small pro tip. Some models have got a dedicated place that you can put a spare bulb, but this unit does not have it. But as you can see, there is enough room to put a spare bulb. You just grab a piece of cotton, you put the bulb inside, and you stuff in that area, so it's not going to get away with the switch, and you can safely got a spare bulb. So in my opinion, extremely nice light and definitely worth, because nothing can get wrong with it. You can fix it in field. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.